Hi, I'm Wade, your Get Set Up guide. While Facebook is the dominant social networking site, LinkedIn is the dominant professional networking site. It's designed to help people make business connections, share their experiences, and, of course, find jobs. A recent survey found that 87% of recruiters use LinkedIn to find candidates for their open jobs. People who successfully use LinkedIn, especially those looking for jobs, have one thing in common: a compelling profile. The goal of this class is to help you build a profile that will get results. We'll review several profiles and point out the strengths and weaknesses of those profiles. You'll learn how to keep the reader engaged so they read through your entire profile, and how to make your profile stand out so it will be remembered against all those other profiles. We will then walk you through the process of updating your profile to include these features you've learned. In her review of the class, one learner stated, "I would recommend this class to job seekers like myself. I can now move forward and set my profile in a way where I am not invisible to recruiters. Thanks, Wade. You gave me the necessary tools to move forward." So if you want to improve your profile, sign up for the class, connect with others, and become part of our lifelong community of learners at Get Set Up.